road. Well, I'm kind of stoked today because we are heading to the groomer. In LA or Jamaica for Kobe, actually anywhere in America. I normally pay like $65 for Kobe to get groomed, tip. But today, 15 bucks. And Ali ain't never been to the groomer before, right? So I decided to bring Ali along. He need to get his nails done. Ali, you gonna like having pretty chicks give you a bath. But yeah, go for a little walk. But yeah, just to let y'all know, my channel ain't always about the girls. It's about me really just settling in to Colombia as far as living here. So I will be talking about some money. Now every day, I wake up and I got a list of 7 things that I work on. 3 of which are paying, but they ain't paying a lot. I got a tiny little bit of money and some stocks, very little. But I got some good trades. Native camp. Remote tasks. Finally, I seen how much I made yesterday. A whopping $1.50. But I'm a man that's been self-employed most of my life. I understand the J effect. Hola. Oh. There we go. Come on. So I ain't tripping. Hola.
Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes. Come on in, kids. Hola. Make sure I know the doves jump out. Vacation?
Yeah.
Vacation? Vacation?
No, we're here for vacation. We're here for vacation.
Oh, okay. Where are you from?
Florencia, Caquetá.
Okay.
South of Colombia.
Oh, nice. Well, welcome. De nada. Ciao. Alright, that's cool. Damn, I got y'all all twisted, man. Hold on, Kobe. So anyway, it wasn't supposed to be like this. I was looking at my life insurance license on that list of 7. And I'm like, all right, I gotta do something about this. So I hit up the DOJ. I said, look here, man. You sent me the damn same letter you sent me back in September. We now in December. This shit should only taken 30 days. Clear this up. I go, and it's an easy cleanup. So, here's the issue. There's a misdemeanor on my record that ain't mine. Insurance board is real strict. You can have a crime, even if it's expunged. Even if it's expunged, you still got to tell them about it. I couldn't tell them about it because this crime ain't mine. But it's been 3 months, and that's 3 months without me working. I should be over here in Colombia making thousands with my license. Instead, I'm making hundreds. And I'm like, what the fuck? I'm like, this ain't even cool. Talked to the insurance board. I even had that shit expunged. Didn't give me my license. So I'm like, all right, cool. Here's the plan. This morning I gotta get some homework. And hold on, kids. Found me a couple law firms. And take my dogs to the groomer. I'm gonna come back. Call a couple of these law firms, explaining them the situation. And let me see if I can get a lawsuit going. Because someone got to pay me. This ain't my fuck up. I'm missing out on money. Not even cool. So, I'll let y'all know in the next video. Because when I drop them off, I'm going to come home and get to work. That's part of working with my license. I got to get to work. Because you know what? A lot of y'all need some help. And speaking of which, don't wait on me. I can't sell any life policies right now. But I can build a team. Hold on, kids. Hold on, Kobe. So, that's the ticket, man. If you want to jump on my squad, it's going to take you a while to get a license anyway. But I want to build a team. You know what I'm saying? And I'll guide you through the testing and all that. But some of y'all need help. Like my dad, bro. Let me tell you about my parents. So my dad used to talk all this shit. I'm leaving y'all with so much money. Blah, 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 blah. And they get mad at us. I'm going to take you out of there. Your inheritance. I'm going to take you off my insurance policy. Rub it in our face. So when my dad died, that policy he had paid $5,000. Had to come out of the pocket. Yeah, it would have been a big payday, like $900,000, if he would have died by accident, like in a plane crash. But instead, the policy was $5,000. Bury his ass for like $8,000-$9,000. So I'm talking to my mom. My mom, she's like, oh, well, I'm going to leave you in charge of my burial. I said, I'll put you in I'll cremate you and put you in a mayonnaise jar. I want a nice, beautiful funeral. Alright. And then I find out yesterday, her policy is $5,000. Talking about, take the money, give me a beautiful funeral, and you split up the money between your brothers. $5,000? Since I ain't got my license, I can't change it. My daughter got her license, so I took care of my daughter on it. I'm like, please straighten that out. I said, Mother, I'm in Colombia. You die right now, and you want me to handle your whole funeral? You leaving me stuck with a bill, just like that. I'm like, not even cool, Mother. Not even cool. There's a lot of people, y'all need some help, man. At least cover your burial expenses. I'm like, clearly you ain't gonna leave no one ahead. Uh-huh. No babies? Yeah, my hijos. My hijos. So at least cover your burial expenses. Damn. Some of y'all walking around with... Oh, y'all cool? Hold on. Can't even cover your own burial expenses? Come on. But yeah, y'all can jump on my squad right now. Come on, kids. Yeah. Come on. Cut it out. Yeah. Hey, you know what's cool around here? Such a difference. Because I never wore cologne in America. And I really stopped dating American girls like 3 years ago. I ain't bought no clothes. None of that shit. But I bought some cologne. Because I knew I was coming here. So now every day, I put on some cologne. Because there's so many goddamn beautiful women. I could just be walking on the sidewalk. And it's just like, wow. You don't get that in America. Dude, if I had to see an American gym again, that would just depress me, man. For real. Like, I would start crying. I'm so used to it. My Spanish is all I need. And my life insurance license. You know what, man? I wonder how much they can get a pimp. Man, I could use a stimulus check. Figure out my next chess move. You know? Hola, senor.
Hi, hello.
I gotta lower my standards of living, so be it. But, I'm pretty sure I can catch me a law firm and take my case. Fuck that. I'm a little pissed off. But I'm gonna keep working on my other ones because I learned something about life. Just keep working. Good job, Ali. Hold on, let me hit y'all back. Clean up some shit. Alright, cool. Dave is crossing over here. Buzzards. Yeah. So man, it's so crazy at that gym. I get so motivated. I wouldn't be surprised if I started going 4 or 5 days a week. Oh, so my channel, I am going to talk about some dating because that's part of life. So my girl Lauren, she hit me back and I didn't just send her some money. She was fine, I'll just see you in a week. I said, alright. I said, and then I responded, the longer you take to see me, the better. Because I've been starting to look like a bodybuilder lately. So I want to surprise you. I want you to be surprised when you see me. If I ever said that to an American broad, that bitch will block me. But instead, Lauren said, alright, I'm going to come see you this weekend. I'm like, well, thank you, baby. I love that girl, but I got options over here. Jump on a different soil, and it's a different program. Hola.
Buen día, ¿cómo estás?
Mi perros.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Good. So that's Kobe.
Okay.
And Ali, his nails just need to be clipped.
Oh, okay.
And his shampoo.
And grooming?
And him trim.
Both?
Both of them.
Okay. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna call the groomer.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, sí, claro.
Alright, let me get y'all back. Use your own judgment. I'm not picky.
Sí, no hay problema. Okay.
See?
Now,
Whatever you want. Whatever.
what's the name?
Kobe
Kobe. Okay.
and Ali.
Fresh food?
Huh?
Fresh food?
Maltese.
Oh, Maltese.
And then he's a Chihuahua.
Maltese.
Maltese, uau, pareces um French.
My buddy.
Male, okay?
See.
Order male?
You'll send me a text?
Yes, sir. Yes. Sorry.
Oh, no problem.
It was some number 2?
The cell number.
Okay.
+1. That's the country
sir.
code.
And you have here WhatsApp too?
Yeah, I have WhatsApp.
Okay, sir.
Send me a text.
Okay, sir. Let me just sign here.
I only live up the street.
Okay, sir. ¿Cuánto tiempo más o menos? Maybe 2 hours, okay, sir?
Oh, 2 hours?
Oh,
All right, kids. Yeah, like his nails are long.
sí.
Just like trimming.
Sí, se la corten
And then
más.
get
Sí,
it back.
listo. Lo más que se puede. ¿Cómo le digo que solo punticas se alza?
Díselo despacito en español.
No.
Which is left.
Your ticket, sir. Okay?
Thank you.
Okay, sir.
All right, kids. I'll see y'all later. Ciao. Man, that groomer. Hola. That groomer is a cutie, man. Jeez. I should give me something to eat. It's like fantasy world, bro. Everywhere I look. Hola. Oh, it's so nice. Ooh, so nice. You know what? I noticed it's a little bit hotter. Cause it ain't normal, but I'm gonna tell you what hot is. Maybe it's 74 right now. That's stupid, huh? Alright. Drop my kids off. I got a couple hours of work. Come back, get my kids. And I'll grab some food. I don't know, it's kind of hard to walk up there with all this damn traffic. And over here, and you like a chicken running across the road. Used to it now. I believe the car's got the right of way here. I know in Cuba it is. Man, these San Francisco hills. Oh yeah. Oh, this traffic. Oh. Alright. The big ass fucking hill I gotta walk up. I don't handle this shit. Hit y'all back. Alright, before I sit down and start working. You know, I think it's kind of hard for me to figure it out. I'm gonna have to look it up, to be honest with you. I like drinking. I love my beers. I love my tequila shots. But I noticed living here, in California, I could drink a 6-pack of beer. No problem. I buy a 6-pack. If I got a chick coming over, I get a 12-pack. Because I already know I'm going to be drinking. At least, you know, and I want to see something. I want to be drinking at least a 6-pack. But I've noticed over here, I don't drink like that. I notice I'll drink, you know, I think I have bring out some salmon. Oh yeah, I got me another steak up in here. I'll do this one. But yeah, I notice I get the same effect. Drinking 3 beers as I do 6 beers, so I've been drinking way less. Much props to Colombia for that. I forgot what a 6-pack of beer is here, but I'm definitely saving way more money. The changes in my life, that little bitty shit, that just changing over to some different soil will do to you. It's pretty fucking amazing. Anyway, let me get to work. I'm gonna hit y'all back when I go to pick up my kids. Man, the weather over here been so nice. And then all of a sudden today it started raining. So I had to throw on this sweater. The weather here been amazing for like when I first got here, it was like raining every other day. But it was like a whole week of just nothing but sunshine. So, Called a couple law firms. I guess it would be difficult to sue. Because it's the courts. Well, the courts are immune. But the Department of Justice are not immune, but they almost immune. So one law firm's like, ooh, we mainly deal with agencies that report it wrong. I go, oh, so the big bad government, they can just fuck me no Vaseline, nothing I can do about it. But I talked to this other law firm, she said, you know, this was complicated. I'll pass around a couple lawyers, see what they say. I'm like, you know what, someone's got to pay for this. Because why am I suffering over somebody showed up to work hungover or something and mistake me, fucked up my whole file, because that got my whole life fucked up. I'm supposed to be getting racks, hola. But yeah, I'll keep y'all updated if something changes. Man, I get to see that fine ass groomer again. That woman was fine. I know Ali and Kobe, they're in heaven with that woman, was giving them a bath. Shit. I'm gonna probably be my new regular chick. Well, no. I don't know. I guess it matters what they look like. Let's see what Kobe look like. Anyway, I'm gonna hit y'all back. I'll get my... And you know what? I don't mind the rain. It ain't been cold yet over here. Oh, look. It's starting to come down. I'm glad this camera waterproof. I'm gonna hit y'all back. Oh, man. Rain's starting to come down. I think I might take an Uber. Hola, senor. Hola.
Okay.
Hey, let me cash you out.
Yeah, sir. Let me see.
Mucho rain.
Yeah, it's so hard. You can have his seasons, but in this moment, oh, look at in this moment is like spring. Look.
Oh, yeah.
It's incredible.
Is there like a winter in Colombia, or is this
No.
winter? No. It's just
no,
nice.
No. Okay? Maybe. We don't have seasons here in Colombia.
Yeah.
Okay? But in December, always, it's like spring.
Mucho rain. Okay.
Spring, like spring. No winter. No.
Okay,
No
okay.
Okay. Like, look that. I don't know.
I love the weather here.
Yeah.
I love
So
it.
you have to turn on spring.
Yeah. I'm from California.
Oh, yeah.
So the weather in California is always muy bueno.
Yeah, I know. I wonder for women.
So I live. You said wonderful women? Trust me, the women are better here. So
Oh, yeah. I know here.
All right. My kids. What's up, kids? What's up, kids? What's up, kids? What's up, kids?
¿Te
This
gusta?
is classy, yes.
Con
I
mucho
like.
gusto.
Mucho gusto.
Ay,
Yeah.
se me alegra. Ahora míralo.
You look good. You look good, man. You look good. Yeah. You look good. Yeah. Thank you so much. Muchas gracias.
Es con todo el gusto.
Okay.
¿Quieres? ¿No quieres? ¿Quieres? A ver, para ver, manito, para acá. ¿Qué estás mirando? A ver, ¿qué
They like you.
quieren? Ah,
Okay.
no quiere. Ah, bueno, esa sí se la pongo.
That's 40. Okay.
Okay.
I got a tip.
¡Ya!
How old is Cody?
7 years old.
Oh. And Abby?
And Ali's 14 years old.
Wow.
Yeah.
14 y 7. 14 tiene este jovencito.
¿Y 7?
Y
Bueno,
7.
él sí más, pero no los aparenta
No,
nada.
so young. It's very young. Looks very young.
Usted tiene 7 años a dónde. Parece un cachorro. Parece de un añito. Bien.
No, este también
Mira,
está
mira,
muy
me
bien.
recibe y que dice usted.
¿Cuánto bajas si lo que dice que no?
No es que no quiere, no es que lo tira al suelo.
Well, let me order an Uber.
Okay. What línea taxi?
I got Uber. I'm not too far from here. I guess I could walk. But they all clean and everything.
Los llevas caminando.
Yeah. You did a good job.
Ay, se le van a ensuciar sus patitas.
You want to
Yeah,
go right
okay.
there in the second floor?
Yeah, and then let me order an Uber. Let's see.
Es para el bebé.
Yeah, Kobe.
Kobe para el bebé, Kobe. Porque eres tan lindo. Es muy hermoso. Estás hermoso, estás hermoso. La cara cierto, mamá, que es muy hermoso.
Oh man, 21
Lo que
minutes.
ya dejas cariosito.
I think that's too
Cara
long.
de oso. Un osito, como un osito.
21 minutes. That's
Pero
too
eso no
long.
lo quiere. Ven. Ay, cuidado con tu patica. Cuidado con la patica, la patica. Eso, mira.
We're gonna walk home, fellas. Alright. Thank you again.
Con todo el gusto.
Hasta luego pronto. Next
Por
time.
acá los esperamos.
No entiendo on that one.
¿Cómo te digo?
Waiting for you.
Huh?
Waiting for you.
Oh, okay. Sí.
The next time.
You did muy bueno. Thank you.
Sí, ¿te gustó?
Yeah, sí. We like mucho.
Gracias. Thank you.
Talk to you later. Hasta luego.
You guys are...
No, that's for her.
Oh, thank you very much.
Gracias.
Yeah, I gotta tip you.
Gracias.
De nada.
Hasta
Que
luego.
te vaya muy
Hasta
bien.
luego.
Hasta luego, señor.
Yeah, that's cool. I had a tipper. Alright, so I don't want to fuck up my camera. Get y'all back. Let's give y'all an idea what I'm talking about with these hills. So if you ever hear me just winded on camera. So as I'm walking up the hill right now, there's a car holding up traffic because his front wheels were spinning. His car's having a hard time driving up that hill with this rain. This shit was... Yeah. San Francisco hills. That's what I'm talking about. So, ain't that I'm out of shape. Yeah, I smoke, but I'm in the gym 5 days a week, do cardio every time. I'm just saying, that goddamn hill. Hey, did y'all peep the ring on the groomer's finger? Somebody knocked that bad one down. Well, you married, they ain't gonna try to holler at you. If she was in the States, I would've tried to holler at her. But not over here, there's too many women over here. And I'm like, don't need to mess with a married woman. I'm good on that, but that woman was fine. She definitely gonna get my business again. That was cool. The dude said, oh, what's this for? I tipped her. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing over here. But whatever. We're Americans, we tip. I was really impressed how she hooked up Kobe. You know, now because of this rain, Kobe looking kind of, he ain't looking as sharp now. Just that little 5-minute walk. But, I got more content coming. Donate to the CashApp. Subscribe. Hey, you want to get your life insurance license? I'll guide you through the process. You know I'm going through it with mine. At least I can recruit. Start building a squad. I want a team. Traveling team. I'll start our way go.